Sui is a Layer 1 blockchain developed by Mistin Labs to make digital asset ownership fast, private, secure, and accessible. Like many others, it aims to address the challenges usually associated with scalability, security, and decentralization that many blockchains encounter. If you're interested in learning more about Sui, check out our previous video here. But before you start exploring, you're going to need a reliable wallet. Here are 4 of the most popular wallets in the Sui ecosystem. First on our list is Suiet, an open-source, non-custodial wallet that gives users control over their Sui tokens. The team behind Suiet wants to provide users with a wallet as convenient as a Web 2 account, but as safe as a hardware wallet. It is available as a browser extension and mobile app for both iOS and Android. The wallet helps users to store, manage, and trade digital assets on the Sui blockchain, including NFTs. Suiet has a built-in NFT management system that lets users view all their NFTs alongside the essential information. The Suiet wallet aims to set itself apart from other wallets by prioritizing user privacy and has an open-source code available on GitHub. Suiet claims that it does not track user data unless there's a way to provide complete data ownership. As a result, wallet addresses can remain anonymous and transactions are not linked to personal identities. Sui Wallet is another non-custodial wallet for managing assets on Sui. The wallet was built by Mistin Labs and is considered the official wallet by the Sui Foundation. It is available as both a browser extension and a mobile app for both iOS and Android users. As with any good wallet, users can manage their tokens and NFTs on the Sui network. On top of that, users can stake their Sui tokens within the wallet itself to earn yield and be part of the Sui delegated proof-of-stake system. Users looking to interact with decentralized applications on the Sui network can easily connect their Sui wallet, both desktop and mobile, to approve transactions securely. Sui Wallet incorporates ZK Login, a feature that allows users to create their wallet with a single sign-on authentication scheme. This simply means that users can log in with just a social ID like Google or Twitch. Another feature of the Sui Wallet is that it can connect with a ledger device, letting users add up to 10 accounts to Sui Wallet. Users can then use the account like any other, while enjoying the added protection of having their private keys in a cold storage wallet. Surf Wallet is another widely used wallet within the Sui ecosystem. It's offered as both mobile and browser extension wallets. It was created by SurfDAO as a community-based smart contract wallet that offers a user-friendly experience while simplifying access to applications on the Sui blockchain. As one of the first few to implement ZK login technology, Surf Wallet is able to enhance security and convenience for easier authentication. Users can set up a wallet with their email address instead of having to deal with seed phrases, making it an attractive option for newer users. Surf supports in-wallet staking that can currently earn users up to 3.7% APY. Not to mention that Surf also integrates all swap quotes, claiming to save users up to approximately 2 USDC per swap. And last on our list is Nightly Wallet, a multi-chain wallet that works on Solana, Near, Aptos, Sui, Polkadot, and more. It's also available as a browser extension and mobile app on iOS and Android. Despite being one of the newer additions to the Sui ecosystem, Nightly has been proactively adding features to improve user experience. For example, Nightly introduced a feature that lets users set a specific time window for transactions on a particular application to be automatically confirmed. By using the Auto Confirm feature, users no longer need to manually approve every transaction. This feature can be set in a specific time window, from 15 minutes to always on. As an early feature, it's only available for testing through the Nightly browser extension via Aftermath or Bluemove. However, the aim is to expand to other Sui decentralized applications in the future. The Sui ecosystem is full of decentralized applications, which is exactly what Nightly wants to spotlight with the dApps tab. From this tab, users can explore and discover some of the hottest applications on Sui. Well, that's all we have for this video on the top wallets in the Sui ecosystem. Which wallet do you think provides the best user experience? Let us know in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on what's happening in crypto.